Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic says, learn the use of ga bubiga. Ga bubiga means, in English, go carry over, as a verb in sentences. We are going to look into a topic that says, ga bubiga. Ga bubiga means, go carry over. Last time, one of our students asked, is it bubiga or bugara? I answered and said that bugara is different from bubiga. When you hear bubiga, bubiga means carry over. Carry over, like in Passover in the Bible. Okay? So bugara is past tense of buga. Bubiga is Passover. It is different from bugara. Bugara is in past tense of buga. She also asked, is bubiga igbo izugbe or olumba? I answered and said that bubiga is igbo izugbe. Let's start. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, ga bubiga ibu a na mmiri. Class, say it. Ga bubiga ibu a na mmiri. Meaning, go carry this load over the water. That is bubiga, ga bubiga. You can also see that here, na mmiri, we put apostrophe before letter M. That is me. Because of here we have mmiri, double me, double M. So the first one is our vowel. That is vowel alike. You know that we have two vowel alike. We call them yirudume, me and the ne. So when you have double me in a word, the first me, or when you have double me or double ne in a word, the first one is the vowel alike. In yirudume, you have to treat it the way you treat other vowels. So, for example, you have namiri. So we remove a and put apostrophe because of this first letter. This one here is our vowel alike in yirudume. That is why we remove a and put apostrophe. It becomes namiri. So this one is vowel alike. Why this second me is ordinary consonant. Okay, so take note of that. Number 2, ga bubiga ha mgbe chi ka dị. Class, say it. Ga bubiga ha mgbe chi ka dị. Ga bubiga ha mgbe chi ka dị. Remember, ga is a command. It has double a. So ga bubiga ha mgbe chi ka dị, meaning go carry them over when there is time. Go carry them over when there is time. So anywhere you see two me or two ne in a word written together, the first me or the first ne is our vowel alike. In yirudume, you treat it the way you treat other vowels. So I hope I have answered our sister. Like and share our videos. Follow me on my YouTube account at Rejoice Chinwendu Special TV. Follow me on Instagram at Rejoice Chinwendu page. Bye.